how to find who your subscribers are on YouTube on mobile. So first you want to open up the YouTube app and make sure you're signed in. Now you want to click on your profile logo at the bottom right hand side. Then you want to click on View Channel, and under View Channel, under the subscribers number, you should see an option to view your subscribers. It's usually called View or See Your Subscribers. Now, if you don't see it, no problem. I'm going to show you a second way on how to do this. So we want to close YouTube and open Google Chrome browser, and then simply navigate to youtube.com, and make sure in the URL at the beginning it says studio.youtube.com like this, and then press enter to navigate to the page. Now if you see your channel dashboard, you should scroll down to the bottom, and then you should see recent subscribers right here. If you click see all, you should be able to see a list of all the subscribers. You can also select the period of time, and you can switch pages to see all the subscribers and the date when the subscribers and also their subscriber count. But keep in mind that this list will only show users who have their subscriptions public, which means users who allow you to see what they are subscribed to. Otherwise, it will not appear in this list. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.